Hello there, we got a 2020 GMC Savana, and as you can see, we're in the right rear wheel well. It's got a code, I don't remember it offhand, but right rear wheel speed. Usually, it's this harness here, lately, that has an issue. We're still going to check that much, see if there's anything going on there. I forgot to grab a flashlight just a second. We're trying out a new one today. I got Milwaukee something, whatever. It's way too big. But let's try it. Oh yeah, we can see lots of stuff now. So, well, you know, I can't see anything because it's so freaking bright. Good thing I got this hat on. Try and do this without getting in the way. Let's just pull you out of there. If you just push on it, you'll probably snap the end of that Christmas tree off. So, we've got a bunch of dirt in there. A little bit better. Go under the tab, see if it'll push back. This one doesn't really want to. Probably some more dirt. Not really. Let's see, are we going to break this one? Yep. Yeah, we're going to break it. Lovely. Let me grab a different screwdriver. Sorry. Pry driver. Mac tools. Looks like since I took the day off to the doctor yesterday, somebody might have broke it and taped it, so we got that going for us. Oh, now it comes right out. Perfect. Come on. Not that high. Just come out of there. No? Not that difficult. Just a section clip. Oh yeah. Just dirt. There we go. So, let's check out this side first, just because we're already over here and it's in my hand right now. I'm trying out a new camera, and it's got its own little microphone and stuff. Well, actually I'd buy it separately. Whoa! Okay, we don't need to check out the sub harness. We found her right there. Look at that. Perfect. And there's enough wire left over, provided the green didn't go all the way down in, that I can repair it. I should probably check this out, but we're going to repair that. And then we're just going to spin the wheels with the scanner on and see if we got any data for this speed sensor. Back in a minute. Just had to go check GM service data and grab myself some crimp connectors because they recommend crimp and heat shrink. So I'm going to use crimp and seal. And I have a GM pin available, so it should be a decent enough copper wire. And there's copper, no green stuff. So we go about 6 mil. Oh no, there's a little bit of black in there, but that's alright. So we're gonna take that one back a little farther. And about 6 mil-ish. We have a couple of pink guys. Or 5800 Charlie Sam Pico. And I got some Amazon level frickin' crimpers that don't break the skin. Huh? Nice pull. Hey, fuck off. Kidney stones, something with my spine, and a heart condition.
Yeah, you'll be alright, just walk it off.
I'm gonna walk it off.
What the fuck you gonna do when you get older?
Die?
What? You make it to 40?
Oh, I'm almost at 40, you know, like,
4 more years.
yeah, 4 more years. Oh, this one's got a couple things in it too. No, that's okay. Okay.
I know you know you're always
Lighter on fire there.
I tried to leave, come steal my pizza from.
I'm not going to. It's too freaking easy. I just walk in the door and grab your keys because your kids and your wife like me. I said I just walk in the door and grab your keys because your kids and your wife like me.
Yeah. But I usually always have my keys with me.
You're gonna make it difficult for me then.
Yeah. Of course. You're gonna have to seduce me and take me out to dinner.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's spray then.
Try spitting at it.
Oh yeah. You bastards are gonna be on YouTube. No, just your face. Come here for a second. No? Why not? Oh, well, it is brand new, so you know. Alright, let's pause you guys and plug in a scanner and show you if it works or not. So we're going to start off with trouble codes, see if they're still active or if they're history. History, not history. Circuit erratic. Let's see if that changes. Live data. Data, whatever. I don't know. Live daddy? Doesn't make sense. Okay, so we're looking this guy. Hey! No, she works. And repaired. I'm gonna put that back in the harness and tape it up. And we're good to go.